Hey everyone, if you or someone you know snores, then you know how much it can affect a good night's sleep. Today, I'm taking a look at the Snorles GenioFlex Starter Kit, a unique device that's designed to help train your tongue and jaw muscles during the day. Now, before we get started, I wanted to make one thing clear. This is not a mouthpiece that you wear while sleeping. It's designed specifically for short daytime training sessions. And in this video, I'll show you what's included, how easy it is to set up, and my first impressions. This is simply my product review and not medical advice. Let's open it up. Inside of the box, you'll find the GenioFlex controller, the silicone mouthpiece, and a charging cable, and the instruction manual. Everything is neatly packaged, and at first glance, the build quality feels really nice. Mouthpiece is made from soft silicone, so it feels comfortable, and the controller is lightweight and very easy to hold. You could put it in your pocket or a bag. It also comes with the lanyard you could put around your neck. Really straightforward too. So after charging the controller, you simply connect the mouthpiece and follow the instructions. It's connected by USB Type-C. So when you first turn it on, you can select your intensity level. They recommend the second one. You can select your time and also the intensity. You can select more intensity and higher intensity and a lower intensity. And you can also select the time up to 30 minutes. And then you press start. And then you place this in your tongue and the timer starts counting down. It's nice because you can work while you use it. Everything is clearly explained, so even if you never used a product like this before, it doesn't feel complicated at all. According to the manufacturer, the device is intended to be used during short daytime sessions to help train proper tongue and jaw positioning. Again, this is something you use while you're awake, not while you're sleeping. So let's give it a try. I'm just relaxing here on the couch like I normally would while watching TV. I place the mouthpiece in my mouth as shown in the instructions and turn the device on. The controls are simple and you can adjust the intensity until you find a comfortable setting. As it's running, you can definitely feel the gentle stimulation. It's an interesting sensation, but it's not something that requires your full attention. I can easily see myself using it while watching TV, reading, or just relaxing for a few minutes. Another nice feature is that there's also a companion app that pairs with the device. The app gives you access to training information, lets you monitor your sessions, and makes it easier to track your progress over time. It's a nice addition because everything is organized in one place, and it gives you a better idea of how consistently you're using the device. One thing I appreciate is how portable everything is. It doesn't take up much space at all, and the controller is very easy to operate. The overall design feels very well made, and the instructions are very beginner friendly. Overall, my first impression is very positive. The setup was simple, the device feels comfortable to use, and I like that it's designed to fit in your daily routine instead of being something that you have to wear overnight. If you're interested in a daytime training device that's intended to help encourage better tongue and jaw positioning habits, the Snorles GenioFlex Starter Kit is definitely an interesting option to check out. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped give you a better look at the product. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.